A man saw a tiny Arctic fox pup break through the ice and go under. He crawled across the cracking ice and pulled the freezing pup to safety.
You're okay.
The mother fox
You're
appeared,
okay.
checked her baby, then looked at the man and tilted her
Breathe.
head toward her den, inviting him in. He crawled inside where the pups surrounded him.
Warm as it
A blizzard
gets,
was
huh?
rolling in,
You're
and he
safe.
was miles from
All
camp.
of you.
That night, the fox family kept him alive as temperatures hit 40 below.
right, lead the
By
way.
morning, he was lost in fresh snow. The mother fox emerged and started walking, leading him for an hour to an abandoned research station. When he turned around, she was sitting in the snow watching. In the Arctic, survival is about knowing who to trust.